Well, our world is facing urgent and rapidly changing challenges. Maps like this here can tell us where to go and what to do.
Industrial companies need a different kind of navigation that helps them make the right decision fast and reliably. Look at this way. There is so much data around us, from machines, plants, IoT devices, and so on. But we need to link and analyze it in an intelligent way.
And how we can do that? By consequently merging the virtual and the physical world. We have everything you need to do so. The digital enterprise with the digital twins, cutting-edge technologies, services, and so much more.
In other words, our guided tour is packed with exciting examples from different industries, which show how you can use data in the best possible way. So don't waste any time. Thomas, are you ready?
Absolutely. So let's start the tour. Here I am in the middle of our digital enterprise nucleus. We demonstrate how a company decided to add a new cold brew coffee drink to their traditional business. Its development was based on new market requirements and had to have also sustainable packaging.
That's true, Thomas, and welcome. Essentially, it is about taking a product idea through the innovation and production phase into the hands of the consumers as fast and flexibly as possible.
Magnus, if I gave you 3 minutes, could you tell us how to do that?
I would for sure give it a shot, Thomas. To meet those challenges, it's essential to merge the virtual with the physical world, and that is exactly what we do with our digital enterprise. With a comprehensive digital twin approach, we are integrating the product, production lifecycle, and the performance data. And this enables us to make decisions in confidence, fast and flexibly. You just need a plan and good navigation. Digital threads are the map for your digital journey. They connect all digital tasks and processes to tackle particular challenges to revolutionize design, realization, and optimization.
Ah, that's perfect. That's all what I need for my navigation. So now we know where to go, and let's go and have a closer look, all right? Here we are at our first stop, the Digital Thread Integrated Program and Lifecycle Management. First, it's essential to analyze the market trends and see what the consumers like, for example, vegan or sugar-free, and if there are new market opportunities. And also to check what is required and how to produce it.
Absolutely correct, Thomas. In a nutshell, this digital thread helps to reuse assets instead of creating them from scratch. It eliminates redundant activities and enhances collaboration between the various disciplines.
Next up, smart product and process design. Now the company knows how to expand the brand. So it needs to define the specifications for the new product, including roasting, brewing, and the packaging process, Magnus.
That's correct, Thomas. This thread enables virtual design and the ability to validate the output from research and development to the shop floor. All in all, simulation speeds up the product development and manufacturing process. In the end, it will also help you to deliver a consistent, high-quality product right on time.
Cool. So cheers.
Cheers.
The next stop on our journey is production design and optimization. Here, simulation helps to check which modifications are required during production and how to keep track of changes. It also shows which layout will be best and which machines will be needed.
Basically, we create a digital twin of the production. Simulation drives the automation of robots, machines, lines, and even complete plants. And it optimizes the working environment for operators.
And what about virtual commissioning?
Yes, good planning and simulation is the basis for virtual commissioning of machines, lines, and plants. This way, you have fewer errors in the physical world and you can be sure that everything works as planned in the real world.
Wow. The digital thread flexible manufacturing allows the execution of orders based on the manufacturing process plan. Flexible manufacturing connects OT and IT, including ERP systems, to enable a seamless transition to the physical world. Let's take a look at this production line here.
Before production starts, it is crucial to define the best production schedule. You have to know what needs to happen and when, this in order to ensure the best quality. And when it's time to produce a new flavor, you simply add a new module. Modular automation with MTP allows to plug and produce, connect the pre-tested module and start producing. Flexibility is something TrackWrap drives with this innovative packaging machine. It wraps the coffee cans more efficient and sustainable. Simulation and the digital twin of the machine help to develop it 40% faster. The packed bottles are taken to a fully automated high bay warehouse with AGVs for flexible and integrated intralogistic processes.
Sounds great. Let's go now to the next digital thread, okay? In order to increase transparency, more information is needed about how to get the most out of every asset and how to track production, processes, and supply chain. In this case, production is optimized with real-time analytics to minimize downtimes and solve issues faster.
Yes, the traceability and insights thread enables OT-IT integration with the help of edge computing, manufacturing operations management, and cloud computing. It enables traceability of the product from field to shelf across the entire supply chain by using data. Finally, it's all about feeding back data to the design phase to create an infinite and open loop of optimization.
If you want to start your digital journey yourself, our digital enterprise services experts are right by your side. From day one, throughout your entire digital transformation with consulting, implementation, and optimization services. Our experts have all the know-how you need: domain expertise, digitalization experience, and data science knowledge. It's part of our holistic approach.
Yes, that's correct. And there is a brilliant example how they supported one of our customers. The challenge was to reduce the weight of a bottle without changing the main characteristics. So they analyzed the situation, created a digital twin of the bottle, and used structural simulations to find the best possible solution. The result, 20% less bottle weight with the same stability.
Wow, I really like that. Thank you very much for your insights from our Digital Enterprise Highlight Showcase.
You're welcome, Thomas.
One more thing. Our approach fits all industries. For more proof points, check out our other 4 industry showcases. Siemens not only drives the automation of factories and production, but also supports customers in the area of intelligent building management and safe energy supply. Whatever you want to do, Siemens will support you. Let's go on now and see which updates Nadja has, all right?
You may have wondered how artificial intelligence can be used in industry automation. Here is a practical example. This AnyFeeder module was jointly developed by Siemens and Wittmann Battenfeld. It's packed with cutting-edge technologies. The machine is using AI for object recognition, based on neural networks in the Simatic S7 1500 controller. This way, it can flexibly feed various products to the production process. For the linear robot, you don't need an extra controller. Instead, it's controlled by the machine's Simatic S7 1500 with a kinematics technology object. And with help of augmented reality, You can see relevant machine information and even visualize what the AI is doing. You know better than I do. Production must never stop. But how do you make sure? We show you the benefits of edge and cloud computing using this pick-and-place application on a robot with a vacuum grip system. Process-level data from the drive and the vacuum grip system is collected in order to get status information. Based on this data, you can then use artificial intelligence to identify wear at an early stage and schedule maintenance to deal with it. That improves your machine productivity and encourages interaction between humans, machines, and system management. As you know, when you develop a new machine, you normally need expensive prototypes, so you can test it. Being able to simulate machines and lines offers you a huge advantage. You can simulate and test almost all functions using digital twins. Here is an example from the production of our SIMATIC controllers. This pick-and-place machine is responsible for fitting the printed circuit boards. What's special is that the mechanical and the electrical components and the automation were developed together in a virtual environment where everything was simulated, tested, and optimized. Depending on the machine, you can do without any prototypes or reduce them to a minimum. And when it comes to integrating new machines into your lines, simulation can be a big help with optimization. Individualization plays a huge role in the success of many products. Let's take this car, for example. The E-Rod is the epitome of a road-going electric sports car. It's a car for individualists. How can it become even more individual? Well, by feeding back customer requests directly to the manufacturer, thanks to an app developed with Mendix. For example, to create a customized windshield. First, feasibility is checked in the virtual model, and then it is simulated and optimized with our software solutions in order to verify the optimal shape for the windshield. SIMATIC WinCC Unified is a flexible, integrated visualization system. It comes with a few new developments. With WinCC Unified Edge, you can now get your web-based visualization system as an Edge app. You can make changes directly on the Edge device or do it remotely using any state-of-the-art web browser. You can create several control panels using the new remote web client. And to round it all off, there are new PC expansions for audits. That means you can quickly create the user interface you need using WinCC Unified.
Now we will take a typical separation column as an example to show you how to get the most out of your data in the process industries. This unit was simulated with SIMET and engineered with PCS Neo, our web-based collaboration software. And another highlight, now it's possible to transmit data like pressure, temperature, flow, and upload them into the cloud with C-Trans IQ. That means higher transparency of your field devices and the possibility of predictive maintenance. If you would like to know more, please contact our experts.